So here is the WeBoost unit. I bought this several years ago on a 4Runner forum and a group buy. I had to buy these bronze fittings because the one I have, you just slide on, and the ones that came with the kit initially, they would just fall off. But these I got off Amazon, they're pretty good. If anybody wants them, I can send you a link to them. I think the new ones now come automatic with the screw-on fittings. So just want to kind of point that out to you. This does have a case that has Velcro in the back. And you'll see here, I'm going to mount this under the driver's seat. Unfortunately, I don't see really much anywhere else I can mount it that would be better in case there was to get a lot of water in the cab. But you know, some of y'all might be able to get more credit than me. I know you're not supposed to put this in like a glove compartment or in like a console like we had the GMRS radio, because this thing does get pretty hot when you use it. And there'll be a light right here so you can see when it's on. It's red if it's not on, and it's red if it's not working, and green if it's on. But yeah, the internal antenna, which is right there, that's what goes to your phone. It runs down, and then down through here, these cords, it plugs in to this side, as well as the power cord, which I'll have wired to the switches. And the outside antenna plugs in here, same way as the other one. So yeah, it's pretty simple and easy to put in once you get the wires ran. Like I think I've said before, the antennas run through the wire. I did this when I did the GMRS radio. We have cables here, so we'll get those plugged up. I did put these little noise isolators. I don't know if that'll be a factor. You can get these off Amazon. They come in a variety of sizes. There's different manufacturers that make them, but they're basically like a magnetic core. You have to be careful because you can break them, which I found out. They have different sizes for different size cords. So my friends from the 4Runner, when I did the GMRS, they did theirs because they kept getting static interference. But you usually want to put them close to the end of the cord. You can see there's one right there on the internal and on the antenna cords. So hopefully they'll work pretty good and keep any static interference out of the way. And like I said, the external antenna is right there. It is the ghost antenna, just like we use for the GMRX, that you can see over there in the distance. But yeah, so I got this off WeBoost website as well. I don't know if you can see this, but I did put some Velcro straps right there because that's the pocket it's going to be kept in. You can't put it on the race part right here because the seat will hit it when it moves forward, and we'll move those connections. So we'll be placing this right here in this little pocket. And I know it's hard to see with the bars in the way, but just want to kind of show you guys this real quick. All right, so we have the internal antenna run into the import as well as the power. So we're going to slide all this in here and take it up real quick. Get on the Velcro. I have to be very careful about how I do this so I don't. This is not the most. There we go. So there we go. It fits in there. I can straighten up a little bit here. But anyway, I just want to kind of give you guys a general idea where it sits. You can kind of come out a little bit. And I'll tuck the wires up a little bit neater too, so that way it's not a rat's nest looking thing. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this, and so you can see where it's at. Okay, just so to make sure I covered this, I did put the power and the exterior antenna, ran it up through this panel here that you can easily pop out. Took the floor mat out, ran it, tucked it under the trim here, another trim there, and all the way up through the if you can see it, yeah, you can see up there the red and white, or red and blue, I'm sorry, cord. That's the power, and the antenna cord is right next to it going through that grommet. No, it's not the prettiest thing, but we'll clean it up. And that's how we ran it up to the front. Okay, so I did run in the red and white cable up. I want to trim some of this off or take it up. So anyway, I did for now I used the brown. I bought these connectors off Amazon. They're waterproof. And I'm trying to use them for every one. That way when I go to change them out for whatever reason in the future, I can always just pop them off and reconnect them and then use this. But anyway, this goes to the red wire. The black wire is grounded in here. I don't know if you can see through the wire. I know this looks like a mess right now, but we'll get it figured out here soon. And of course, the antenna goes up through here and is mounted beside the ditch light. So anyway, so that's pretty much the gist of it. Not very hard, it's pretty simple. And as you can see, here's the ditch light cord, but here's the antenna cord. And overall, not bad not bad to put together. So hope you guys like and enjoy. Please like and subscribe, hit that alert button. Let's get this channel over 1,000 followers if possible, and we'll definitely get you some more content to come here very soon. Thank y'all so much for watching.
I did do some tests here. This first one is a little more dramatic, but I wonder if you see here it's a different band and a different hertz, that might be a factor. But the second one here, there is slightly differences, so take it for what it's worth. And this was done in the cities, so hopefully I'll be able to get some testing done farther out to where we can get more realistic numbers soon.